Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing access. Sign into the Azure portal and confirm you have owner or speech contributor permissions. Once done, install Azure CLI and the Speech SDK for your platform and verify the installs. Make sure you record the resource name, region, and key into a secure note so you can paste them later into commands or sample code. This avoids interruptions when creating voice models or testing endpoints further along. Next, create or enable a speech resource and, if required, activate custom neural voice in your subscription. Then open Speech Studio, start a new voice project, upload your labeled scripts and clean audio samples, and choose locale and speaking style. Once uploaded, trigger training and wait for completion, then validate quality metrics in the console. Make sure to run sample synth calls from Speech Studio or your SDK, so you confirm the voice matches intent before integration into apps. Finally, publish the trained voice to an endpoint and record the endpoint URL and key for your app. Integrate using the Speech SDK or REST API by specifying the locale, voice name, and desired audio output format. Test with short and long inputs. If you hit problems, start troubleshooting. Confirm you use the correct key and region, ensure sample rates match, check cores and firewall rules, and review training logs for missing or noisy samples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.